This is a great little place. We're on the farm. That's what we're doing today. We're at a farm, Jay's parents' house. Drove about 45 minutes to an hour to get here. What is it all about? Loading up our boat. We own a boat with a couple other family members. We went in on it a couple years ago. Now we haven't used it for probably 1 or 2 years just because everybody's life has gotten extremely busy. So we all collectively decided it is time to sell the boat. So we're here to load it up, take it to another piece of property to store it for just a few days, and then Jay's going to be taking it to a detailed shop to get the outside detailed. They did spend a couple days ago cleaning the inside. Jay, his brother, and his dad, they did that. So the inside is clean, but the outside needs a little work. So we are here to load up the boat, haul it off, and you know, I'll show you around this beautiful property because it's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And it's got a few surprises. I think the chickens know we're here. They're very noisy. We gotta go find some dogs.
Yeah, let's get the dogs.
Where are these dogs at?
So, check out these solar panels up here.
Yeah.
The whole farm is runs off these solar panels.
That's pretty cool.
So we don't pay for electricity out here.
But now we're searching for dogs.
Yeah, we got some dogs that got out. They're dogs that protect the goats and stuff.
All right, let's go find them. I don't know. Yeah, we know you're all here. Oh my gosh. Seriously, ladies. Ladies, calm it down. Oh my. I'm sure I could live with that every day going off. No, thank you. So where would they run off to? All right, so there's one dog. How many dogs are we looking for?
I don't know.
What's their names?
I don't know. Well, my mom just called me. My mom's up in up in Virginia, actually picking up a couple more cows, or I don't know how many cows, but she's got these miniature cows here.
Yeah.
And they have like these bloodlines that.
Oh, there's a dog. There's 2 dogs. How many dogs are we looking for?
I don't know. I gotta call in too.
All right. Hello. Of course, we got goats. Told you it's a major farm here. Yes.
Cows out here.
Yes. We have 3 dogs that we know of, but we don't know how many dogs we're supposed to be finding. So we can't get to work on what we're here for till we're sure we have all the dogs we need. Hey, that cow's following you. Okay, well that's cute that the cow is like following you. Careful now. I was going to show you that it is a farm full of bison, but they're nowhere to be found. And I have tried whistling and, you know, just saying, hey, Bison, but I can't find them. Bison! I think that's horses. That's horses. Buffalo! Dinner! Suey? No, that's pigs. That's pigs. Suey. Suey is pigs. Come and get it! Food! I got every call down but Bison. I don't know what Bison respond to. They have to be like over the hill because this property goes forever. So they're probably like over the other side of land. But as you can see, there's one fence here, and I don't know if you can see the other fence, probably about another 12 feet away is another fence. So they have to double fence it so they don't get out, because they will get out, and I think they have one time. So yeah, I was hoping to show you all, but I don't know how you call for Bison. I tried. Babe, I don't see the Bison. How do you get them to come?
They were just laying up there.
Laying?
Yeah, right there by the food.
No.
They were.
Oh, well, they've moved on. Is there a call? I mean, I tried everything.
You might be.
First things first, Jay is doing a little caulking job on our little travel trailer. So Jay and I do have a Travel Star by Starcraft travel trailer.
Hybrid.
It's a hybrid. Got it a couple years ago.
About 4 or 5.
Yeah. So we store it here at Jay's mom's place, and we're gonna get ready to break it out for the summer and take it on some camping trips. So he's just, while we're here, gonna do a little caulking on some areas to help weatherproof it a little bit more. So when we're ready, it's ready. And while Jay does that, I sit here and watch, because there's not much for me to do. So I'm glad he brought me along to keep him company. Is that what my job is here right now?
Right.
Birds, I'm trying to film. All right, now we're gonna go hook the boat up because it's time to take off and get this portion of our day done. So let me show you the boat real quick as Jay backs the truck up. Babe, that's pretty impressive. The way you just lined that up.
Right.
All by yourself.
Right.
No direction.
Listen, man.
You're a man?
Man.
You're a man's man.
Man's man.
All right. Hook it up, Big Daddy. I'm starting to sweat. So people know I'm helpful. Gotta come in here, get the requested plug, and I bring it over here and I hand it off to Jay because I am helpful. Thank gosh for Gretchen.
Will you go press the brakes and stuff?
Sure will, because I'm helpful. Lie, we're gonna need some air ASAP. Making one last attempt to call the parents to see how many dogs we should be accounting for. Because we got 3 farm dogs and 2 like regular pet dogs. And that's all we see. So we're not sure.
If you will please leave your name and number.
Nope. It's a no-go.
said I like it when you come and run errands with me.
That's nice. Why is that? Why do you think that is? Keeps you company?
Yeah. And you help.
I'm a helper. I like running errands with you. I have to admit that I was not very excited about coming. But I'm glad I did.
You had to get that on film, huh?
Yeah. Well, this is what this type of stuff you're supposed to get on film. I should just have this thing rolling, so our conversations are natural. But I turn it on, and you go mute. And then you can just openly talk, capture everything. Go ahead. We are now at stop number 2 of the day, which is Jay's parents' second piece of property. This is where we are storing the boat in this barn, this little barn. So Jay's opening it up so we can put the boat inside there for keeping for now. Oh, wow.
That's where we store hay.
That's awesome.
Well,
Gosh.
so this thing, all this is fertilizer. Big beef like hot dog trailer.
You know the first thing I thought of is a party. Hanging lights. Love it. Secure the tire wheels. We'll drop the trailer and we'll be done unloading the boat, and it'll be ready to go to the detail shop next and be put up for sale. If you're in market for a boat, let me know. I got a beaut to sell ya. Otherwise, I think that's it for this little video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you like what you're seeing. And we appreciate you watching as always. Thanks guys. Get out there and chase some life, and heck, buy a boat. Right? I mean, why not buy a boat? Why not buy a boat? It's all about chasing life, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Buy a boat, chase life.